Let's take a new exercise in SolidWorks. Catics 3D. This is the exercise number 3D06-H05. Dimensions millimeter, and here we have few parameters A, B, C, D, E, F, T. We have to find the volume of this model, and this is the answer. Okay. Now here we have one front view, and there is a one section view A. Line is hidden, but exactly the half of this front view. Then there is a section B. Section B also half of this middle portion. We have one two isometric view to see the proper visibility, and there is a one top view. So we will start from this front side. This circle 18 dia, depth 5 millimeter. Then there is a 18 depth. Circle radius RF. F how much? 34. Okay, this is the depth. Then we will make this back portion, and you will see in section view B 15 diameter C, distance E, and this is tangent at bottom. So this bottom line is coincide, and how much distance B, the length of this first right click equations, manage global variable A, press tab key. Now here write all 37, double tab B, 38, double tab C, again press tab key, and 21 is the value, double tab D, tab 26. Similarly I am going to do for all. E equals to 18, F equals to 34, T 1.3, tab, and see we applied all the dimensions. Say OK. You will see here front plane sketch, activate circle, smart dimension, make it 18, and I want to add material to this sketch. So simply apply extruded boss base, direction perfect, move blind, depth 5 millimeter. Say OK. Now either select back face or front plane sketch, activate circle. Now here I am going to draw a half circle. Let's make a center line. Press escape key to out. Trim entity, power trim, press and hold the left mouse and drag. Okay. Okay, let me connect this with center so we will get the idea. Now, smart dimension. Distance from center, hold shift key to this 18. Radius equals to global variable F. Extruded boss base. Here total depth how much? 18, but make it reverse. See? Okay. Select back surface, sketch, activate line, go back to the point and see the line is going to convert into arc. Connect. Okay, here we have to connect too many things. Let's say connect these two first. Make it construction, make it vertical. Smart dimension. Now this distance given C, global equals to global variable C. Now select this one, hold shift key, select bottom surface of 15. Okay, now okay, do one thing, select hidden line visible. Now select this circle and this back circle tangent relation. It is fully defined sketch. Okay, extrude. Now here apply end condition blind equals to global variable B. Say okay. Now let's make this portion. First we will make circular. See here circular portion. Then we will apply this hexagon shape, diameter A. Depth you will see 7. Then there is the depth cutout T. This cutout is exactly the diameter. We will see how. Now this height D. Okay, remember. Let's see. And this all wall thickness T. So we will see how to apply shell feature also. Corner radius R2. Select this face, sketch, activate line, connect up to here. Now select this convert entity, activate line, and let me complete this geometry. Trim entity, power trim, and trim this half portion. Now distance from center point, it's given D. Okay. Now go to feature, apply revolve boss base feature and select this line as the axis of revolution. 360 merge result. Look. Top face, sketch, apply here polygon, hexagon actually, keep 6 number of sides and start from this center. Now select this line, make it horizontal. Equals to global variable A. Extruded boss base. Depth 7 millimeter reverse. Okay. Select this face, sketch. Now let me see previous sketch. Show. And select this circle, convert entity. Now let's hide previous sketch. And let me draw one sketch bigger than this. Even it's no need. Extruded cut. This depth here choose blind and equals to T. Flip side cut. Look, see the arrow moves outside. Look, this is the result. Fillet. Constant type fillet, tangent propagation on symmetry and radius 2 millimeter and select this inside edge only. Okay. Now we need to make use shell feature. Shell equals to thickness T. Select face 1, face 2 and this is face 2. But here we have to choose this one also. Now see, this thickness is remain. So if you apply shell, this portion also affect. So I don't want to cut here. So simply choose here this back portion and apply 10 more than the thickness. Either apply 7 or more than. So we will keep more than. Okay. Now let's check section view. Right. Okay. See the preview. Now let's see this radius 10 R4 from here to here distance 4. We have to cut. How much we need to cut? You will see here the upper one is shaded but this one is not. So we have to cut this one. Then we have to cut 6 millimeter deep all through. sketch. Okay, let me connect this line with this. Okay, let me activate 3-point arc. 1, again select 1 point and press 2nd point, 3rd point, exit. Now select this point, tangent. Now select this outer convert entity and select this curve and this outer curve. We need to make tangent relation. Okay. Again, center point and these line coincide. Okay, let's apply some dimension. 10, radius 4. Okay. Select this one and this line, tangent. Okay. Now select this outer line and this. That's fine. Now let's mirror this. Mirror, select these two lines. Mirror about this line. Okay. 3-point arc, connect 1, 2, place somewhere here. Now first make this point tangent. Similarly this side also smart dimension. Now select this one, hold shift key and select bottom part of curve and drag 4 millimeter. Look, it seems fully defined sketch. Okay, select this line, convert entity, extruded cut. Now here in selected contour choose this one and this one, and let's see from front. Keep thickness 1.3. Say okay. See, right plane sketch, corner rectangle, depth 6 millimeter, and select this internal line and this one collinear. It is fully defined sketch. Apply extruded cut. Here keep direction 1 through all both. Say okay. Now let me select color or something like. Okay. Now go to evaluate, mass properties, okay, 2 point fine. Okay, this is the our mass 16491. During practice I also received this one, but in actual exercise this is not like this. This is 499 actually. So either we missed something or I don't know. Even in practice I found this one. Okay. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.